Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to move your Shopify store to a new account or clone it for another business, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer products, themes, pages, and even customer data from one Shopify store to another, step by step. First of all, let's quickly talk about why you might need to do this. Maybe you are selling the business, switching to a new brand, or just starting fresh. Whatever your region, let's jump into the actual process. Step one is exporting your product. In your original Shopify store, go to your admin panel, then click products, then select export from upper right corner, then click export product, choose all products and select CSV format. For Excel, numbers or other spreadsheet program option. Download the CSV file. It contains all your product title, description, images, price, and more. Just go to your Shopify email inbox like that, and here it is. Download from here, click save and open it. Now let's transfer your store's design. Go to online store, then themes, click on actions next to active theme and download theme file. Then send email. Shopify will email you the .zip file. Just go to your email inbox. Once you get it, save it somewhere like your computer. Then click theme export. Now extract the file. And open the folder. Once you get it, save it somewhere safe. You will upload it to your new store in a minute. Shopify doesn't have a native export feature for pages and blogs, so we'll need to do this manually or use an app. Copy. Uh, One way is to copy each page or blog post manually and recreate them in your store. Copy paste content manually, open your new store, then create same pages and paste content. Now use apps like Matrix, Matrixify or Exam Export, import pages from the Shopify App Store. Or if you want to save time, use a paid app like Matrixify that can export and import pages, blogs, and more. If you want to move customer data, go to Customers tab in the admin panel, click Import Customer, or in your original Shopify store, just click Export and select all customers. Shopify will generate a CSV file you can upload to your new store. Keep in mind passwords won't transfer due to security reasons. Customers will need customers will need to reset them if you re-invite them later. Now, in your new Shopify store, let's importing everything back. Go back to product section from your new Shopify store, then click import in the upper right corner, then upload CSV file. Now go to online store for upload the theme, click import theme, upload zip file, add file, then click the zip file. Now go to customers, then import, add your customer CSV file and import it. Upload your product CSV, upload your theme zip file and import your customers. It's mostly drag and drop at this point. Unfortunately, store settings, payment gateways, and apps don't transfer automatically. You will need to go through your original store and manually set this up in your new one. Taking screenshot can really help speed this up. Once everything's uploaded, test your new store carefully. Check product images and variants from product section. That make sure theme design looks right. Verify pages and navigation. Test the checkout flow. Use test mode. Double check that all links, product images, and navigation work smoothly. Run a test order in developer mode to confirm checkout works. If you are moving domains, you can either transfer the domain to the new store or update DNS settings from your domain register. Just go to online store. Uh, then settings, click domains, connect existing domains to transfer ownership. And that's it. Your store has now been successfully transferred to a new Shopify account. Like, comment, and subscribe. Download free Shopify migration checklist. See you in the next one.